Hi guys, this is Jobs. And of course, today mag-unboxing tayo ng aking bagong bili na iPhone accessories or Apple products, which is yung Apple AirPods! Of course, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na sa YouTube channel natin para every time meron kaming ina-upload, even particularly pag-unbox, even travels namin, at least mabibigyan mo siya. Alright? So this could help kung anong pwedeng may tulog sa'yo. Okay? So anyway, today mag-unboxing tayo ng AirPods. Okay? Actually, it's been quite long while. Gusto ko talagang bumili nito kasi I'm using my phone every now and then. Every day I'm receiving it's around 50 to 70 calls every day. So because the nature of my business, okay, through I need phone calls. Every day nahihirapan ako kapag tawag ng tawag and then minsan malayo yung phone ko. So it's hassle for me. Tapos minsan pag naiwanan ko pa yung wired ko na earphones, nagiinit pa sa tenga ko yung phone ko. So well, I really love this product. I think this could help me a lot. So actually wala akong masyadong maraming idea about these AirPods, but then according sa, well, this is a disclaimer. Based lang to sa mga napanood ko na review, alright, and unboxing, and based on my personal research. Okay, so pagtsagaan nyo na. Okay, so this Apple AirPods, I bought it in assembly pa. Okay, it's amounting to 9,490 pesos. Alright. So, last week, nagpunta kami ng Hong Kong ng price nito. It's actually the latest model, which is AirPods 2nd Gen with charging case. We saw it on Apple Store sa Hong Kong. It's around 1,100 Hong Kong dollars. It's around, I think, magkano? Calculator tayo. 1,100 times 6.9 yung exchange rate that time. 7,590 lang. So, may konting difference, but then the good news of that, I bought it through credit card, so pwedeng installment. Okay, so buksan na natin. Actually, natanggal namin yung plastic kanina, pero sabi ni nung ate, tape niya na lang daw for this unboxing purposes. Okay, so well, I'm so excited with this. Ayan. Okay, ito na siya. Yung price, 9,490. So, one good thing, kaya of course, nung nakita ko the first time I watched the commercial or promotion of these AirPods way back 2 years ago. Well, it's not a good review for me kasi ang dami kong hesitation, like baka malaglag, baka mawala, kasi it's very prone talaga na mawala kasi nga it's wireless, okay? Tapos hindi pa siya ganun ka mura and hindi siya ganun ka practical bilihin. I think yung version is around 5,000 or 6,000 pesos. So, yung second gen is almost 10,000 pesos. So, pero nakita ko siya na very sobrang laking matutulong sa business ko. Ayan. So, ganda niya. Okay. Before I bought this, naghanap ako ng dupe or copy, okay? Premium copy ng Apple AirPods. Pero nagiging alanganin ako pagbili kasi it's around 1,100 pesos. Yung iba, I don't know, I think it's i30, i40. Ano siya? It's yung ano lang siya, Bluetooth. Unlike itong Apple AirPods, ang nagustuhan ko dito kasi iba talaga yung genuine, of course. Plus, pag binuksan mo siya, automatic nag-go-connect na agad. Alright, so as you can see. Alright, ang dimension niya, 0.65 by 0.71 by 1.59 inches. And yung case niya is 1.74 by 0.84 and by 2.11 inches. Okay, so one good thing here, pag binuksan mo siya, automatic nag-go-connect na siya. As you can see, tingnan natin. Alright, so once you've opened this, okay? So, wow! Tingnan mo naman. Wait lang. Wait. Alright. So, nagko-connect na siya agad. So, as you can open the case, so, ganun siya na. Di ba? So, of course, all you have to do is what? Okay. Ko-connect mo lang siya. Ayan. So, as you can see, makikita mo, yung, alright, yung battery life. Okay, ano? Okay na ba?
Kita. Yan, pakita mo. Sige, dinart ko.
Ayan. So, yung battery life nung charging case at saka nung AirPods. Okay. So, well, the moment na i-open mo siya, nagko-connect na agad, just click done. Alright, it's connected. So, let's see kung connected na siya. Alright. Wow! So, Japs Glow 2018 AirPods.
Hindi siya, kita.
Hindi pa kita.
Super liwanag. Oh, yan.
Okay. As you can see, it's already connected. Sobrang convenient na. So, hindi mo na kailangang i-press itong key, yung button sa likod for you to, for you to connect this accessory or this AirPods. Automatic once you've opened it. And of course, make sure na updated yung software mo kasi kanina, we've tried it Apple Store. Since hindi updated yung aking software, it should be at least that software iOS is 12.3.1. Alright, 12.3.1. Okay? 12.3.1 yung software at least. Kasi kanina, noong kinonect ko siya mo ganun kasi I have to update first the, my iOS. Okay. So, and then, as you can see, tingnan natin. So, alright. Well, one good thing here, yung charging button niya, or charging area. So, it's a lightning. Okay? It's a lightning port. And of course, included here is, of course, it's the charger. Okay? Lightning cord or lightning charger. Pero wala siyang head. Okay? So, you have to provide your own head for this one. Okay. With regards sa compatibility nito, it's very compatible. Compatible to sa lahat ng device starting from iPhone 5S hanggang latest. iPhone SE, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 6S, 7 Plus, iPhone 7, 8, 8 Plus, 10 XR, 10S, and 10S Max. Okay. Even iPad models, lahat ng iPad models starting iPad Air first gen, and Mac models starting Mac Mini hanggang sa 12-inch MacBook. Of course, even watch models like Series 1 to 4, ano rin siya, compatible. And even iPad models like iPad Touch 6th Gen. Okay. So, let us see. So, let's try, of course, yung quality niya. Okay. So, ang ganda niya. Sobrang cool. So, as you can see, yeah. Hindi ko alam yung basta may green button siya, I don't know. Probably it's a sign that it's working. All right? So, well, I think I have to buy yung case siya. Merong nabibili na case sa Shopee na para mas maging protective siya. All right? Okay. So, we're gonna try. So, kailangan lang, you have to be careful. Kasi pag nalaglag to, I don't know, syempre, it could be broken and wow, so cool. Woo. Wait lang, may pindutan to eh. Kasi may pindutan, walang pindutan. Alright, once na nilagay mo siya sa phone mo, madidetect din sa ear mo, madidetect din ng phone mo na nilagay mo siya. May notification tumutunog. Oo, alright. So, according here, one good thing about the second gen AirPods is pwede kang mag-utos kay Siri, just sabihin mo lang yung Hey Siri. Alright. Pag nakalagay siya sa tenga, nadidetect. Pero pag tinanggal mo,
oh my God!
kaya, lupit na. Ang cool talaga niyan. Oh yeah. Of course, just be careful kasi prone talaga siyang mawala. Alright. So, well, Yung sound, yung quality ng sounds niya, sobrang quality talaga. No wonder it's made by Apple. And of course, let's try to call someone. Sagutin mo! Hello.
Yes.
Alright. Ang ganda ng kwat. So, it's really very convenient. Alright. So, let us see kung naka-distant ako.
Ang tawag na dyan sa may gate.
Cool. Sobrang cool. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. Alright.
Tanggalin mo ulit. Naka-handset na siya.
So lang nga. Alright. It's really automatic.
Sama.
Cool.
Sama.
Ha?
Sama.
Huwag na.
Tingnan tayo pag
Alright. So nice, so cool. Wow. Well, ano ba bang meron dito? Alright, so it's really fun. So let us see yung Siri. Buhayin natin yung Siri. So we're gonna try to call. Okay. Yung phone ko, syempre, ang pangalan ko dito is baby because I'm the baby of my baby. Alright. Let us see. Alright. Wow. Cool. Hindi nagfi-feedback. Okay. So you can turn off the call. Double tap lang dito para turn off yung call. Autoplay na din. Cool. So everything is connected here. So well, it's cool. Okay, so yung very worth it naman yung 9,490 pesos mo. Okay, so it's very portable, it's very high tech. So we're gonna try Siri. Okay. Hey Siri. So may registration pa. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Alright. So now, you can use Siri. Just key in, sabihin mo lang yung Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
My apologies. I couldn't hear what you said.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Go ahead.
Send message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Baby.
What do you want to say?
I love you.
Your message to baby says I love you. Ready to send it.
Alright, send.
Your message to baby says right then. Ready to send it.
Change it to I love you.
Your message to baby says I love you. Ready to send it.
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Cool. So you don't have to, key button or anything. Just, just say the words, "Hey Siri." Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Yes.
Set an alarm.
What would you like to know about Tita Yi?
No, close it.